Today we're making what we're gonna do, barbecue. So what I have here, I've developed the spice mixture here. I add a tablespoon of spice mixture to my mixing bowl. Add a half a cup, a quarter of a cup of my spice, water, and then I add a quarter cup of my veggie filling. This time I'm using a fork to blend it, because what I want to achieve, it is a nice little crumble, and this goes right into my frying pan. So now we're going to have a nice barbecue. Add a little bit of oil to the hot frying pan. It is hot. There we go. Take a few steps to break it up a little bit. In the meantime, I bring to a boil a cup of water. Into it, we add a little bit of my spices. Oops! This actually is made with mango, my barbecue sauce. And there we go. Mix it up. Bring it to a boil. And here we got our barbecue sauce. Easy, quick. Well, we might add a little bit more water. There we go. This is done. The barbecue sauce is done. Here we have our barbecue meat, nicely fried. You can eat it now like this, or we just add it to the barbecue sauce. There we go. All done. Mix it up a little bit. And here we go with our first mix. Oi, hola!